Good morning students, this is our video number 6 and in this video we are going to do some more questions of applications of percentage in our daily life. So here first question is Ashish is 175 centimeter tall. His sister Anu is 8% shorter than him. What is Anu's height? Means we have to tell about the height of the Ashish's sister Anu, which is 8% shorter than height of Ashish, and height of Ashish is 175 centimeter. So let us start. Ashish's height is equal to Ashish's height is equal to 175 centimeter is the height of Ashish. Now percentage of the height is equal to 8%. Now according to question, Anu's height is equal to 175 minus 8% of 175. Now we have to simplify this much. 175 minus 8 by 100 into 175, that is 25 4 jar, 25 7 jar, 4 1 jar, 4 2 jar, and we have 175 minus 14, that is 161 centimeter, which is our answer. Please note it down. After this, we have to discuss question number 14, where it is given that a tin contained 25 liters of oil. Due to leakage, 2 liters of oil was lost. What percentage of oil is still there in the tin? We have to find out. So let's start. Solution number 14. In solution number 14, we can write here the tin contained oil is equal to tin contained oil is equal to 25 liter. Oil lost due to leakage. Oil lost due to leakage, 2 liter. Now oil left in tin. Oil left in tin, that is 25 minus 2, 23 liter. Now according to question, percentage oil in tea, that is 23 over 25 into 100 and this much. 25 on the 25 4 jar 100, 23 4 jar 92. So after losing 2 liter due to leakage, the tin contained 92% of the oil. Please note it down. Now see 16th sum. In 16th sum, Mr. Mehta had rupees 60,000. Out of this money, he gave 20% to his daughter, 35% to his son, and 30% to his wife, and the rest he denoted to the charitable trust. How much did he denote? So here it is here we have to just keep in mind that Mr. Mehta had rupees 60,000. Money is given to his daughter, that is 20%, and 30% to his son, and 30% to his wife. Rest he donated to a charitable trust. How much did he donate? So let us start. Total money is equal to 16 rupees total money is 60,000 rupees. After that, percentage money given to daughter. So what is the percentage given to daughter? That is 20%. After that, percentage money given to son, 35%, and then given to wife, percentage money given to wife, that is 30%. Now, according to question, the money he donated. So money donated is equal to money donate is equal to 60,000 minus the percentage of these all, which is 20%. Plus 35% plus 30% of 60,000. Now here we can do this like this. 60,000 minus 20 upon 100 into 60,000 plus 35 over 100 multiply 60,000 plus 30 over 100 multiply 60,000. 2 0 cancel. Now we have 60,000 minus 12,000 plus 21,000 plus 18,000. So 60,000 minus 51,000. That is 18 and 12, 30 plus 21, 51. That is 9,000 rupees he have donated to the trust. Please note it down. Once again I repeat this question to you. Here Mr. Mehta had rupees total, that is 60,000. 20% he has given to his daughter, 35% to his son, 30% to his wife, rest he donated to a trust. Now we have to calculate how much amount he have donated to the trust. So simply we will write here the total money is equal to this. After that, money given to the daughter, percentage money given to the son, percentage money given to the wife. We will add their percentage and subtract from the 60,000 what we have done here, and finally we get the answer, that is 9,000. Hope you have cleared this and note it down. Now, see next some extra questions like 20% of a number is 35. Find the number. Here I have given two extra questions to you. So first one is 20% of a number is given, that is 35. You have to find the number. So let the number is equal to, let the number is equal to x. Now according to question, 20% of x, that is 35, and 20% of x means 20 over 100 multiply x. 35, 21 the 20, 25 the 100. Now x is equal to x upon 5, that is equal to 35, and x is equal to 35 into 5, that is 175. So x is equal to 175, which is the required number. So you can write here, required number is equal to 175. This is our answer. Please note it down. After this, last question of the video. After deduction of 10% of the amount of a bill is 3,204 is left to be paid. What is the amount of original pay? So how we will do this? Here we can write let original bill is equal to, second question it is let original bill is equal to x rupees. After that, deduction with percentage, that is 10%, or bill paid is equal to 3,204 rupees. Now according to question, x minus 10% of x is equal to 3,204, and x minus 10 by 100 into x, that is equal to 3,204. Now take the LCM. 10 10x minus x, that is 3204, and finally we have 9 by 10x, that is 3204, and finally x is equal to 3204 multiplied by 10 by 9, and if we do the calculation, then x is equal to 302049 into 10. 9 3 is 27, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54. Now x is equal to 3560 rupees. This is the original bill which we have to pay. Note it down, please. So students, we have seen how much easy questions these are and how much easy is the application of percentage. So students, this is all about today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this and learn much more from this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.